Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix this Wi-Fi problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So you have to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, you need to go to the start icon, right click on it and select settings. Once we are here, we need to select the system tab, then just scroll down and find out the troubleshoot. So click here, again go for other troubleshooters. Once we are here, you will get the option here Wi-Fi, or you can also click on the network and internet. So click on run and this will try to fix this issue. So you have to complete this process. Now close this window and we will move to the next step. Again right click on the start icon and select device manager. Now go for the network adapters, right click on it and select properties. Once we are here, we need to click on drivers tab and then click on update drivers. You have to select the first option and again go back and select the second option, then select let me pick from the list and select the model and click on next. So Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Now close all windows one by one and simply restart the system. You can also check out the pin command to fix this issue quickly. That will be a good way to fix this issue. And so like the video and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.